This is a practice exercise video solution. For this practice, we'll be using the supplied dataset Direct Modeling-PE. We want to begin by using direct modeling tools to remove some of the features in the design. We'll get started by selecting the large fillet and pressing Delete on the keyboard. Next, we're going to select all of the chamfers on the design. Once we have all of them selected, once again we'll press Delete on the keyboard to remove them. Next, we're going to use Inspect to measure the diameter of the smaller holes, noting that it's 15 millimeters, and the diameter of the larger hole, noting that it's 50 millimeters. Then we're going to use Modify and Press Pull to adjust the diameter of the larger hole. We're going to bring this down a distance of 15 millimeters and say OK. Using Inspect and Measure one more time, we'll identify the new diameter as 20 millimeters. From here, let's make sure that we're in a home view and save the design.